Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Progressive Insurance how to file a claim. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to file a claim with Progressive Insurance, what you need to do first is gather your information. Before you start your claim, have the following ready, like your policy number, date, time and location of the incident, details of the damage or loss, photos of the damage for vehicles, property or items, and contact info of any other parties involved. Now, in order to file, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in progressive.com and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, here you'll find the option that says contact us. Simply tap on that and now you can either call the given number or you can also tap on the see more contact options as well, and that will lead you to the live chat option, or you can also send an email as well by simply tapping on it. And then once you tap on the said email option, simply select a topic by tapping on your claim or claim processes. Then next is to fill out the following details like name, email, policy or claim, street address, apartment or city, and then your phone number and your question. And once you are done with all that, simply tick this small checkbox and then tap on submit. Then next is to track your claim. Once filed, you will get a claim number. Use the Progressive website or app track progress, communicate with adjusters and upload additional documents if needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.